Hi, it's been a while. So if you guys don't know me, my name is Sebs, and for this video, I am gonna be reviewing one of my oldest pieces of tech, my Logitech G Pro Superlight. I had this mouse since 2021. Anyways, the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to put it to perspective how the mouse has been throughout the years. Before we get to it, I want you guys to like and subscribe this video. It would help me out with my whole ambition and determination to be a YouTube creator. So let's go. So for those who don't know, the G Pro Superlight came out in 2020 and it was kind of a big deal. Basically, Logitech took one of their already popular mouse, the G Pro, and they just removed some of the heavy stuff to make it lighter. The result, the new mouse, the new at that time, became one of the most lightest gaming mices of that year, weighing at 61 grams, which is crazy. I bought it at 2021, and at that time it wasn't cheap. It was actually very expensive. I mean, it was a year after the release, so reasonable. In 2026, I think you can find it for cheaper now, for like what, $90, $80, so on and so forth. Probably secondhand would probably way cheaper. But the biggest question is, this video is for those people who are in a budget and they want a quality gaming mouse or mouse whatsoever. Is it still worth it to buy it in 2026? So let's try to find out. Okay, so first thing, how does it actually look like after 4 years of using it almost daily? So let's start with the shell. The Logitech logo is almost gone, like worn out, I think. I really don't know how to word it. And I think that's all for the noticeable details. You don't really see anything, just the logo is gone. There isn't a dent. I'm not an aggressive gamer, but I do notice there are some spots that are shiny, I think due to my hands being oily most of the times for the excessive gaming. And for a mouse that gone through this much, honestly, it's still very good. My take, still very good. It's just that the logo is gone. Anyways, next up, the mouse skates, or whatever you call it. I think the mouse feet. I prefer to call it mouse skates. This is where most mice start to degrade, actually, because of how we drag, how we use it, so on and so forth, and what kind of surface are we using to use the mouse. For the Superlight, I replaced the skates at the second year of owning it. I think it was at 2024, 2023. Not because it was worn out, but because I was looking for a better mouse skates that's actually quality and way long lasting the previous one, because I've watched like a lot of videos that, hey, mouse skates replace because the stock one is kind of sucked. So I was looking for a good one. Cheaper one cost me around $4. Now I still use it every single day. I haven't changed it. It's still gliding smoothly, and the mouse pad that I have, still good. There's no drag, there's no lag. I guess my advice is to actually replace the stock with a better quality one. If you guys can find a better quality that's cheaper, probably get that, or just better quality in general, just get that. It's way better than the stock. Let's go to the next one. So we have the clicks. There's no noticeable changes, honestly. For someone who uses the mouse in a daily basis, I haven't really noticed any lag in the clicks. I haven't noticed any like abnormal noise whenever I click. So still good, still efficient. 10 out of 10. For scroll wheel, so this is where I'm actually problematic. Well, not really. Okay, let me explain. So I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I scroll up, it sometimes scrolls down just by itself. It doesn't really happen a lot, but it happens to the point that I get annoyed, especially I'm in the middle of a game or just browsing some stuff. But turns out I actually read this one article. I think I can leave it in the description below. So it turns out this is actually a pretty common issue with the G Pro Superlight because of its encoder. After extended use, the encoder actually starts to wear out. So people actually just opens it and cleans it. Others just live with it. I'm one of the others. Actually, for me personally, what I did, I just blew in it, just trying to do that. And sometimes it works. Temporarily, it stops the automatic scroll, but it just comes back. It's not a deal breaker, but it's definitely something to take note of, especially if you want to buy this mouse secondhand. If you're gonna buy this mouse secondhand, might as well test the scroll wheel if it works or not. So just take note of that. So for the battery, it's long lasting. Those two words actually just describes the entire thing, long lasting. Why? It can last me like almost a week with one full charge. For the partner of it, the dongle, the wireless dongle, there was one time I actually broke the original dongle that it came with, so it's not really wireless anymore without the dongle, right? So what I did, buy another dongle in online. I found and bought a new dongle, right? If you buy any Logitech wireless peripherals, you need to know, or you need to note their corresponding wireless receiver, because you might actually buy the wrong one in accident. So might as well take note of that. For the Logitech G Pro Superlight, it's called the wireless receiver. It's gonna have Pro X on the dongle labeled. So that's what I did. I plugged it in. I paired it with the G Hub software. It's actually easy to pair it. So all I had to do was plug the receiver, turn on the mouse. It'll just locate the mouse, and then you just have to click it and done. After that, I didn't really feel any lag or any delay. There's no really change. There's no changes with the new dongle. Everything's the same. It suits my hands. I'm 6'1", I have big hands. I use palm grip, palm the entire mouse. It's very comfortable. It really gives me the full ability or the full control of the mouse. I really don't have a problem with it. It's just a scroll wheel. I think I might have to open it up and clean it. I might have to try, but I'm actually scared if I might break something. So I might have to research on that further. But still, for a 4-year-old tech, it's actually still good. So let's go back to the main question. Should you buy the Logitech G Pro Superlight, the first edition, in 2026? If you can find it for a good price, then yes, it's worth it. The reason why I say it's worth it is because for those gamers, especially for those hardcore gamers, especially me, I used to play CSGO. I haven't played CS2. I play Valorant, I play Minecraft, I played Minecraft Bed Wars. The weight on the Logitech G Pro Superlight changes everything. If you're from a heavy mouse, it might take a while to get used to the weight. I know that the Superlight 2 exists. Yes, it's better in paper, but if you're on a budget and you find the first edition to be cheap, then I swear to you, you won't regret buying the Superlight one. Just buy it. I swear, you won't regret it, because 4 years in, I still have no reason to buy another mouse. With all these new gaming mice in the industry, I still choose my Logitech G Pro Superlight. If Logitech sees the video, you guys made a good mouse. I like it. Okay, so that's everything. I think I covered everything. If you guys have any questions, I am so free to answer those questions in the comment section below. I try to make things simple to understand. I really like the idea of simplicity. If you guys want more detailed explanations on certain parts, certain concepts, just let me know also in the comment section below. Any help helps me and helps the channel and helps other people also. So that's all. Like and subscribe and stay blessed. See you guys soon. Bye bye.